Hello there, kids. It is I, Stray Cat, the one and only, coming to you with a vlog because Fallout 4 isn't happening today. There's a lot of things that were going on yesterday that just kind of led to me being unable to do anything today. My hair's a fucking mess. I'm gonna need to fix that. But there was an issue at work that just kind of evolved into problems at home, and it just didn't go well. There was a lot of problems, and I ended up being fucked on both. So, yeah, I'm gonna end up being late for work right now, and I will not have Fallout 4 ready for you guys. And not a lot of the problem falls on me. I wanted to take this also as an opportunity to talk about dependency issues on certain things because, when some people don't like to visit the doctor for whatever reason, visit psychologist, whatever, they turn to things that sometimes don't help as much, but in the moment, sometimes I feel like it. Um, Before you're asking, no, this is not about me. This is about my manager at work who yesterday didn't show up at all, even though he was scheduled to. And the way the management works with the company that I work for is that they have to be there to pitch in as well should, things go wrong, and things very much went wrong and he didn't show up. It seemed for the last week he had been going on a very dark path with booze, depending on that to get him through a couple bad situations that happened. And apparently, yesterday he woke up at 3 a.m. and just started drinking. Just kept on drinking and didn't stop. By the time I found this out was the time that, by union rules, I had to leave my shift and end up having to leave one guy pretty much by himself. Luckily, the other guys came in early for whatever reason, and I kind of appraised them of the situation. But yeah, it just did not go well for anyone. I was exhausted as fuck. Um, I was aggravated as fuck because until that time before the end of my shift, I knew nothing about what happened. I'd been trying to contact him for hours and got nothing. And it was only at about like 1:03, about the end of my shift, that he finally texts me going, "Oh, I've been drinking all day." And while I I understand why he's become dependent on it, but it doesn't excuse him pulling a stunt like this. It doesn't excuse anyone pulling a stunt like this, even if you are using it as a crutch. It should not ever be a crutch. That's the whole problem with self-medication. It ends up being a crutch that doesn't help you in the long run. All it really does is just becomes a bandage on a gaping wound. It doesn't help much. Just covers it from getting worse, but it doesn't help anything heal. I don't know where I was going with that metaphor. It's been a long fucking morning. It hasn't even actually been that long. I'm fucking late. Um, yeah, I'm going to hit the shower. I'm going to go to work, and I'm going to face that, but I'm not going to do what the manager did. And that's a good point. That's the good part. Um, yeah. So that's the thing. What do I want to end this with? Okay. I want to end this video with, you can self-medicate, but it ends up not helping you in the long run. There is no healing involved. It just delays really the inevitable, and in fact makes it worse, usually. And you're far better off taking it to a doctor, a psychologist, someone who's actually paid and trained to help you, rather than trying to do it yourself, because usually that never works. And your decisions will affect people around you, whether you know it or not. Your decisions will have an impact on people around you, whether you really understand or not. And that's kind of all there is to it. Anyway, I'm going to go shower. Fuck today. Fuck yesterday, but fuck today too. Alrighty, this has been the one, the only Stray Cat, playing games, usually vlogging, and trying to be teacher and shit that I have no real idea about for you.